Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make those beautiful roses, and if you want me to make this bouquet tutorial I can also share it with you. So let's get started. First I'll take a yarn. I'll make the pink one today and I'm using 4mm crochet hook. First make a slip knot like this, then I'll make 15 chain. Today I'll work with 15 chains because I want the smaller one, and if you want to make it bigger you can chain 20 or 25 or 30. You can make it bigger like this. At, and once I made 15 chains I'll work double crochet in every stitch. I'll make 3 double crochet in every. Now I'm done making 15 chains. I'll make 3 double crochet in every single stitches here. Now I'll yarn over like this and skip 3 chains, and then pull through, insert the hook, and then pull the yarn like this. I'll have 3 loops like this, and then I'll pull through the first 2 loop, then the rest 2 loop. My first crochet is done here. Now I'll make another 2 double crochets. So we will work 3 double crochet in every single chain like this. I have done, this is the third one. Now I'll move to the next stitch. I'll yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through the first 2 loops, then the other 2 loops like this. You have to make 3 chains, 3 double crochet in every single chains. I'll continue working with 3 double crochet in every single chains like this. It will soon, you can see it will soon shape like a spiral, and people also say it's a spiral rose. It's really very easy. If you once get it you will make it in less than 5 minutes. Yarn over, insert the hook on the next stitch, then pull through the first 2 loops, then the second other 2 loops. Continue working like this, and soon you will reach the end. When we reach the end like this, it will be a little bit hard to pull through the loop, but once after the first double crochet it will be easy for you to make other 2 double crochets on the very last stitch. Now I'm done making the last stitch. As you can see, I'll chain 1 and pull the yarn. I'll leave a long tail to make it easy to work with. Then I'll cut off the yarn. We need to sew it together, so that's why we'll need a long tail. We need to hold the tail and then wrap it around like a spiral shape. You can see as it's forming, and it will soon form a rose shape like this. You can understand by watching this. Then I'll take a needle. I don't have a pedistry needle, so I'll take a normal big needle like this, and then I'll sew the rose from the middle. I will take the three petals like this. I'm taking it and like this, very end, and then pull through this yarn like this. I'll tighten it a little bit, then from the behind I'll make another stitch like this. It will make a really very beautiful rose by doing this needlework. Then I'll insert the hook. I'm doing it on the three side, from the middle, then from the back, and then from the side. Now our rose is ready to work. I'm showing you by joining this. I'll take the hook and insert it between the leaves like this, and then I'll pull through, take the yarn and pull through the chain, and then I'll make a knot, a tight knot, so that it can not be ripped off. I'll knot again to secure it like this, and then I'll cut off the yarn. Your rose is ready. As you can see, it was really very easy. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.